In this video, we'll look at using ReWire applications in Pro Tools. ReWire is a communication protocol developed by Propellerhead software that lets compatible software applications communicate with each other. In our case, Pro Tools can receive multiple audio streams from the ReWire application, and we can also send MIDI data from Pro Tools to ReWire instruments in the other application. First, let's look at setting up the ReWire compatible instrument inside our Pro Tools session. Here you can see I have a simple Pro Tools session with one instrument track. To add the ReWire instrument, I simply go to one of the track's inserts, go to Multi-Channel Plugin, Instrument, and select the ReWire application. In our case, we'll be communicating with Ableton Live. Then the ReWire plugin window will open. At this point, some applications will automatically launch in the background. Ableton Live requires us to launch it manually. In the ReWire plugin window, you can see that we're currently set to no output. If we click on the output pop-up menu, we can choose from up to 64 available buses. In this case, we'll simply select the left and right mix outputs from Ableton Live. Now we're able to monitor playback from the ReWire client, and we have bidirectional transport control that allows us to drive the transport from either application. Next, we'll take a look at controlling ReWire instruments from inside Pro Tools. Our Ableton Live set includes a percussion instrument and a piano instrument. We can control both of these instruments from MIDI or instrument tracks inside of Pro Tools. Here you can see I've added a MIDI track to my Pro Tools session. Let's switch over to the Mix window and look at the output assignment selector for our MIDI track. As you can see, both of the virtual instruments inside of Live appear as destinations for my MIDI data. Here we'll choose the piano instrument. If we flip back over to the Edit window, I can now play or pencil in MIDI data to play the piano instrument in Live. And that's a basic overview of using ReWire applications with Pro Tools.